This plant improves your vision even if you're 70 years old. People suffering from poor vision spend thousands of dollars on expensive eyeglasses and lenses every year, but they fail to realize that there is a much more effective and completely natural way to improve their vision and save a few bucks in the process. Millions of people around the world have eye problems and are forced to go to their doctor year in, year out, always coming back with a new pair of glasses or lenses. Have you ever wondered why? Isn't your vision supposed to get better and better, not worse? Could it be that you lack something else that doesn't allow you to improve your vision? Our eyes require these nutrients to function optimally. Vitamins A, C, E, and minerals like copper and zinc are very important for good vision. Antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, protect the macula from sun damage. You should consume more dark leafy greens, egg yolks, yellow peppers, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and carrots. They are a rich source of antioxidants. According to research, consuming yellow and green vegetables protects your eyes from age-related macular degeneration, the major cause of blindness. Sulfur, cystine, and lecithin lower the risk of cataract formation. You should consume more foods rich in these nutrients like garlic, onions, shallots, and capers. Anthocyanin-rich blueberries, grapes, and goji berries have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve your vision. DHA is a fatty acid found in cold water fish like wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and cod. DHA provides structural support to cell membranes to boost eye health. The problem with glasses and lenses is that they don't actually improve your vision, they just help you see better, and if you don't resolve the underlying reason, the situation can only get worse. Don't be alarmed, you can improve your vision and resolve your problem, and we'll show you how. The following remedy can improve your vision quickly and effectively, and it only requires a few simple ingredients. All you need is aloe vera, walnuts, honey and lemons. You will be amazed by the results. Many people around the world who've used it said that they've experienced positive results. However, before starting this treatment, you should consult with your doctor. Ingredients: 100 grams aloe juice, 500 grams crushed walnuts, 300 grams honey, lemon juice 3-4 lemons. Preparation: wash the aloe vera leaves and remove the spikes. Put all the ingredients in a blender and blend them until you get a smooth paste, and that's it. It couldn't be simpler. Consume a tablespoon of the mixture 3 times a day, 30 minutes before meals. Continue the treatment until you notice improvements. In addition to improving your eyesight, this amazing remedy is a powerful nutrient and vitamin bomb. It will strengthen your entire body and improve your health in general. Keep the mixture in the fridge and consume it throughout the next 10 days. Prepare a new batch once you're out of it. Warning: people suffering from acute renal disease, gastrointestinal disorders, inflammatory processes of female genital organs, cardiovascular diseases, tuberculosis and hemorrhoids, and women in the last trimester of the pregnancy should not consume aloe vera. Moreover, the aloe vera plant shouldn't be older than 3 years if you're planning on using it in this remedy.
Yeah.